Hello and welcome to another video of Flectra. Today we are going to see about how we can set up a fitness store using the Flectra. So for that, first we'll start with how to add the products, and for that we'll just go to website and go to the products and the product section. So as of now we haven't added the products over here. So to add the product, we'll just create a new one, and here we'll give the name. I just want to add the skipping rope, so I'll just add the name skipping rope that can be sold and that can be purchased. Now after that I'll add the image. So for that I'll go over here and edit, and so go to fitness, and so I added the image of the skipping rope. And then the product type, that would be a storable product. Then let's add the price. I'll add the price of the $5 for the skipping rope. Then the product category, you can add the category, in which category you just want to define this product. And here you can add the tax, the cost. If you have the internal reference or barcode, you can add it over here. Now after that is the variants. So if you are having multiple variants of the products, so for example if you just want to add the size or color, so you can add the variants over here. Then the sales, you can apply the invoicing policy on the order quantity or on the delivered quantity. You can add the optional products, and you can add the descriptions over here. Then the e-commerce part over here, if you are having multiple websites, then you can select the website, you can select the categories, then you can add the alternative products or accessory products over here. And or if you are having multiple images for the product, then you can use the extra product media and add the images over here. And you can add the purchase, or you can add the inventory from here. Now after adding all the options, we just need to save this one. So my product has been saved, and I will just go to the front store and see the product. Okay, let's refresh the shop page. As we can see, we have the product of skipping rope, but right now it's unpublished. So we'll just open, and from here we can make it published. So this is how we can easily add the product. So this is my product name, this is the image, this is the pricing, and from here I can select the quantity and add it to the cart. So after that we'll see how we can add the promotions, coupons, and also we'll see how we can add the payment methods and shipping methods in our store. So for that we'll start with first with promotions, how we can add the promotions in our products and how we can use that. So for that, go to the website, and in product section there is the promotion programs. So we have added some promotions over here. So let's just open first. That is the code for 10% orders. Let me click on edit. So that is our title for the promotion. So over here we'll apply 10% discount on the order, on the total order. And here we'll find some conditions that we can apply the condition on based on the customers, on based of the products. Here is the quantity. We can select the quantity and how much quantity we just want to offer that discount. Then there is the minimum purchase of amount, that what is the minimum purchase of the amount, and we can use as in tax included or in tax excluded. Then promo code usage, that will be automatically applied, or you just want your customer to apply a code. So here we have selected user code, and there is the promotion code. Now here we can write the promotion code, that what will be your code that your customer will write, and then they can use that discount offer. So here we have added code as in max 10. So that will be our code. After that we can select the validity. First is the website, that in which website, if you're using multi-website, then in which website that you want to use. Then apply on first, that whether you just want to apply on the first order or you just want to want an infinite use. Then we can add the date, what will be the start date and what will be the end date. So this is our start date and that will be our end date. Now after that there is the rewards. Now first is the applicability, so that is apply on the current order. And the reward, we just want to give a reward as in discount or a free product or in free shipping. So here we have selected the discount. Now after that, what will be the amount? We just want to give as in percentage wise or in fixed amount. So you can go with the percentage wise or you can add the amount. So here we have added the percentage and that is the 10%. Now discount apply on the whole order, on cheapest product or on specific products. So if you are you have added any specific products and only on that product you just want to apply the discount, so that is, for that we just need to select the on specific products. Now here we have selected the on total order. Also you can limit on basis of the maximum discount amount, set that, so you can set as in maximum amount, so that will be your max amount. Above that will be no discount. So we have added the conditions. Now let's just save this one, okay, and go to our front store and check this one. So our promo code is max 10. So this is our front store. Let me go to the product and I'm adding this product. I'll go to the checkout and here is the option of I have a promo code. Now here I can write promo code that is max 10 and then I'll just click on apply. So as I just click on apply, so as we can see there is the return the 10% discount on total amount. So discount has been calculated and my final amount will be $13.50. So that is how easily we can use these promotions and coupons program. Now let's just go to the back end and here will be the coupon program. Okay, so that's that would be the same, but here you will find some less options if you just compare to the promotion program. If you are just using on a small scale and you can use this coupon program over here. Now after that, to add the payment requires and the shipping methods, we just need to go in configuration. So here is the option of payment requires. So as you can see, these are the default payment gateways that Flectra will offer to you. So anyone, if you just want to use, so for example it's a people, so what you need to do, you just need to install it and just add your credentials over here and started using it. That's it. So currently we have enabled the wire transfer over here. So that is the payment requires, and if you just want to use any third-party payment gateway apart from that, that is also you can use. So you just need to create and develop that one. Now after that there is the shipping method. Now what will be the shipping prices if you just want to provide a free shipping or you have any normal delivery charges, so that you can set up from here. So if you are providing the free delivery, then you can add the shipping gateway as in free delivery charges, and then you can set the pricing according to that. Now if you are charging any normal delivery charges, then as we can see there is the normal delivery charges. Provider would be as a fixed price. We can select the delivery products. Now here also we have provided the option of free if order amount is above. Now we can set the amounts. If for example if I just on $100, so that would be free if my order amount is above $100. So that is the functionality that Flectra will be providing, and that is the pricing. So currently the fixed price is $10. We can set the destination availability and also the description. So from here we cancel this one. From the shipping methods, we can establish the shipping methods.